Hello friends! Welcome to Step by Step Reading. In the last video, we learned about vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Today, we are going to learn about short vowels. What are short vowels? Short vowels are the quick sounds that the letters A, E, I, O, U make in simple words. They are usually found in three-letter words like cat, bed, pig, top, and sun. Short vowels usually follow a pattern: consonant, vowel, consonant. We call them C, V, C. Short vowel sounds are A, E, I, O, A. Again, A, E, I, O, A. Let us look at some examples of words with short vowels. Remember, we said short vowel sounds are usually found in three-letter words. Let us look at the short vowel A with the sound A in the word mat. M-A-T, mat. It has three letters, one vowel, which is A. Let us sound it out. A-T. What's the word? Now, we look at the short vowel E with the sound A in the word pet. P-E-T, pet. The short vowel here is E. Let us sound it out. P-E-T. What is the word? Pet. Again, pet. Excellent job. The next one is I with the sound E in the word bin. B-I-N, bin. The short vowel here is I. B-I-N, bin. What's the word? Bin. Again, bin. Very good. The other short vowel is O with the sound O in the word pot. P-O-T, pot. The short vowel here is O. Let us sound it out. P-O-T. What's the word? Pot. Again, pot. Amazing job. The last short vowel is U with the sound R in the word sun. S-U-N, sun. The short vowel here is U. Let us sound it out. S-A-N, sun. Again, sun. Now, it's time to look at more examples of words with short vowels. A, A, H, A, T, hat. A, J, T, jet. E, P, ig, pig. O, O, D, O, G, dog. A, K, A, P, cap. Even though most times we see short vowels in simple three-letter words, they can also be seen in longer words too. We see short A sounding apple, short E sounding elephant, short E sounding iguana, short O sounding octopus, short A sounding umbrella. Great job, friends! Today we learned about short vowels A, E, I, O, U and how they sound in words like mat, pet, pig, and sun. Remember, short vowels are quick sounds we hear in many words, even in longer ones like apple and elephant. And guess what? In our next lesson, we will learn about long vowels, the ones that say their names like the A in cake or the I in bike. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss it. Keep practicing and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you and bye.